So kuzoba yi-sing along song le. Angazi noma mhlambe ngangokuthi iningi lethu liyalazi. Ithi nambaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Nambaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Ngcibo ngcibo sondla sisuthe. Ngcibo ngcibo sondla sisuthe. Nambaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Nambaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Ngcibo ngcibo sondla sisuthe. Ngcibo ngcibo sondla sisuthe. Nabaya oh mama. Growing up, the world offered nothing but infinite possibilities. Gone are those days when we lived with reckless abandon. I reminisce how we drank water from the garden hose, how we watched bees play hide and seek with the flowers. Oh, how we enjoyed watching the sun play hide and seek with the clouds. We played cardboard houses, we fell out of trees, caught tadpoles in buckets from streets. We collected butterflies in jars and only freed them after a minute or two. Gone are the simplest of pleasures we once knew. Growing up, my imagination told me there was a boogeyman under my bed or inside my closet, hiding in the shadows, waiting to take me away in the dead of the night. Nabaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Nabaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Ngcibo ngcibo sondla sisuthe. Ngcibo ngcibo sondla sisuthe. As little kids, we played all day, we played with clay, broke our bones, played pick-up stones and skipping ropes. We made fire under huge homemade beer drums. As kids, we chased ice cream trucks, played in sugarcane fields where farmers often chased us. We played knock and run, waved at aeroplanes high up in the sky. Oh, how I would love to go back on a roller coaster ride. Growing up, we watched the coolest TV shows like Takalani Sesame, Pumpkin Patch, SpongeBob SquarePants, Cinderella, Braceface, and more. Back then, I was convinced I would marry a prince, be a mom to 6 kids. As little kids, I would pray, dear God, please get me a ballerina costume because Santa must have forgotten. As little villagers, we made use of long drop toilets, smeared cow dung onto our rendezvous floors and left it to dry until it was hard and smooth. As school kids, whenever gusts of wind would wrestle with the rain, we'd clamp our books under our chest, whilst at times meaning an untimely end for our roads to school. Growing up, I used to think we're poor. We owed neither scooters nor PlayStations. We had neither lasagna nor macaroni for dinner until I realized it ought to take a village to raise the child. Growing up, the world offered nothing but infinite possibilities, but now all that has plummeted with age. Ngcibo, ngcibo, sondla sisuthe. Ngcibo, ngcibo, sondla sisuthe. Nabaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Nabaya oh mama bethwele imithwalo. Ngcibo, ngcibo, sondla sisuthe. Ngcibo, ngcibo, sondla sisuthe. Thank you so much.
La la.